Hi, this is Mr. Fusion Designs, and it's great to be back. You're thinking, why is Mr. Fusion doing Iron Man? Well, I've been backlogged with a lot of my builds, including Iron Man. I've stopped on 54. Hopefully you might remember. I had a major flood. I've been away all this time in a hotel until they fixed my property. So they have finally fixed it, so I'm back in my studio. So it's good to be back, and we are doing now Iron Man issue 55. This is gonna be quite simple build, so yeah, hopefully I'll get through this quite fast. I'm gonna try to do a lot of this by speed building, so I hope you're gonna enjoy it. So this is what's coming in issue 55, which is, I have to say, very easy issue to do. That's metal. Is that metal? I think that's metal as well. That's plastic. So let's line up that pin. Let's see if we get a close up. There's a pin there. And you just line that pin up and push that through, and that's the end of that issue. So let's move on to the next one. So this is issue 56, and going through the magazine, seems to be just clipping parts in. So again, quite an easy issue, but that's what's coming in this issue. Let's just open that up. So this is from issue 53. Excuse me, it's a bit laughable. All we're doing is trying to line up these two pins, push that together, and we have these two parts left over, and that's the end of that issue. So this is issue 57. Going through the magazine. Maybe we go using some screws. But coming in this issue, let's open that up. Flip those over. Okay, I have located the IP screws. Just need two of these. And with that, this part. Wait, this. I believe. That's just looking like that. And let's just take a look at these two caps. R1 and R2. So I believe R1 go. You can see it just goes like that. R2. Let me just have a read through. So R2 would go on the one we have made from issue 53. That will just clip on there. Go the correct way. Push that in. Oh, that's both of them done. So let's move on to the final issue. So this is issue 58. I believe we're moving on to our leg. Just get on with that. We have our leg, and this part you would just slot in like that. And we have this cover. Get a close up, hopefully you'll see that. So that would just go, I believe if I go on the other camera, a little bit fiddly, but the slots on top. Balance that out. With that we will need a AM screw. Just take one of these out. I moved over to another screwdriver because one should fit a little bit better. There we go. But that's how that goes. I really hope you enjoyed that pack, and we look forward to seeing you all next time. If you could do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe. That would help us a lot. Thanks a lot for watching. See you soon.